Did you know that in the digital age, an astounding 90% of businesses start online? Yes, you heard that right. The digital world is the new frontier for entrepreneurs. But where to begin? Strap in for a journey through the world of digital business creation. First, you must begin with an idea, a concept that lights a fire in your heart. What does this idea look like? Who does it serve? To answer these questions, you need to identify your target audience and understand their needs. Market research is your best friend here, helping you understand your competition and the prevailing market trends. Now it's time to put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard and create a business plan. This isn't just a document, it's a roadmap to your success, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Once your plan is ready, it's time to make it official. Choose a legal structure that fits your vision, whether it be a sole proprietorship, an LLC, or a corporation. Then, register with the appropriate government authorities. Next, secure a domain name that embodies your business. This is your digital address, your beacon in the vast landscape of the internet. Develop a professional, user-friendly, and mobile-responsive website. This is your online storefront, the face of your business in the digital world. If you're selling products or services online, an e-commerce platform is your next step. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento can help you build a robust online store. Social media is a powerful tool in the digital world. Establish a presence on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Engage, share, and build brand awareness. Create valuable and relevant content for your audience. Remember, content is king and can help attract and retain customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, is key to improving your visibility in search results. Optimize your website and content with relevant keywords and meta tags. Online advertising, like Google Ads and social media ads, can help you reach a larger audience. Set up secure payment processing options for your online store. Your customer's experience should be seamless and secure. Provide excellent customer support, responding to inquiries and resolving issues promptly. Data is the new oil. Utilize analytics tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic and customer behavior. This data will help you make informed business decisions. Security and privacy are paramount in the digital world. Invest in cybersecurity and comply with privacy regulations when handling customer data. As your business grows, consider expanding into new markets or offering additional products or services. Stay updated on relevant laws and regulations, especially if your business operates internationally. Encourage feedback from your customers. Reviews and testimonials can help build trust with potential customers. In the digital world, adaptability and innovation are key. Be open to change in response to market dynamics and emerging technologies. In the end, building a digital business requires ongoing effort, adaptability, and a strong online presence. Stay informed about the latest digital marketing strategies and tools to remain competitive. Remember, the digital world is vast, and the opportunities are endless. So take that first step towards building your digital business. After all, every great journey begins with a single step.